Welcome back to my channel. I'm playing a game with friends. A shout out to Gamby22 because he's in my video and he was in the one I was just making, but we ended up running out of time, so we're doing another one. What, is this another round? No, it isn't. No.
Hey guys, it's me, Emily, the cousin of Flower. I just want to say something real quickly because I know this YouTuber that's my favorite YouTuber that I never met before. I wish I could meet him. His name is Alex Wasabi. His vlog channel is called Alex Wasabi. His main channel is called Wasabi Productions. And Alex, if you're gonna watch this, because I'm gonna put a comment on your channel to tell you what's her channel, and you can watch the video. If we're watching this right now, please subscribe to her channel. Please give her a shout out on one of your videos. I promise I will watch every single video that you make, and I love your videos. And tell Guppy I said hi. Okay, and that's all I wanted to say. Just subscribe to her channel. She's a very good cousin to me, and that's all I wanted to say. Thank you.
Well, yeah, I guess. I really have nothing to say after this. And, yeah. This game is taking forever! Dang it, I didn't know that, like, 8 cars will take us, like, 50 years. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, I think there's a rainbow here. I think there's a rainbow here, or a rainbow here, no, or here, or here. I don't know. Hurry up. Finally. Wanna tell me your name? Feels like I love to say. By the way, guys, I know a YouTuber that has 6 million subscribers. I'm scared. Finally, okay. I'm really. No!
You're gonna leave.
I know. Gee, thanks.
I was just trying to give you support.
Camber. Hurry. What? Who are you? Who are you?
Tell her I asked you a question.
I asked you a question. Oh. This den is my brother's den. Wow. Her brother is this person.
Oh.
I was curious. I was just I was just asking. I was just wondering. Well then, let's buddy her. I don't want to, but that's all, I guess. Just kidding. I really like her pig. If I was a non-member pig, I would definitely look like this. Yes. Shout out to Camber28 and Gammy22. The one that should come. I got 4 spikes. Oh my goodness, I have a green one too! I remember when I only had my pink one. Now I have 4 spikes, guys. 4 spikes. And yes, I will be giving one to you, Genesis. I might trade one to you. I might give one to you. I don't know. I still don't know, but I could give you this beta. I think it's a beta at least. I don't know. I think it is, because it's pretty rare. Because in the party said that it was worth 100 alpha swords. And yeah. But I don't have an alpha sword. Well, there you go, bye. Yeah. It's kind of the masterpiece. OMG! See you looking my way. Somebody wanna point you away. Nothing gonna do it. Say, hey, no. Need to be good. Wait, are you on? Whoa. There are only non-members that are like the good ones. Get on from that. Lady come closing me, if I don't stop to step up Lindsay. Oh, people relax. Okay. They went on a long freaking time ago. Coco is either with Stereo Moon or Pepper's pet. Oh, I know her. I know her. I think I saw her somewhere. Good. Oh, gee, look at this art that they do on the computer. It's true. Oh, I already liked that one. Okay. I give this a 50 out of 5. I mean a 10. Well, this is alright. I mean, it's okay. I want to say it's the best one. Oh, is that Greeley? Never mind. Okay. So, guys probably heard us whispering. We were talking about something. And yeah. Could you do me a favor, Emily?
What?
Could you go give me a Coke? Oh. Please. Or water, I don't care. Yellow Freak. In freaking so this one. Everybody loves that. Hey, hi. Legit Nick. Oh, gee, this is the scariest thing. Oh, Pari. Apelli. Oh, gee, already full. Another Greeley, which is much better than the first one. Wisteria Moon did this one. Whoa, it's really good. Thanks. Oh man, it's a Coke. Ow! Oh, it keeps sitting in my hair. Can you sit in the chair, please? Thank you. Finally, my hair is not being pulled. Oh, little chihuahua. I've been drinking a lot of Coke. Which is very unhealthy, especially in the night. It's like my third Coke today. Ah! Like, what? Oh, I was like, sorry. Okay, welcome. Visit Art Shark's part for more art supplies. Only art in this room for trade. No others. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's really cool. No. Okay. Really cool. There's all this shark noodle nowadays. But guys, I'm pretty bored. What did you say? Okay. Ooh. OMG Genesis. I'll trade you these two things. I'll trade you like three or four things from one of my spikes. Honestly, I mean, you're probably like, what? Dang it, but I'm sorry. Spike is worth a spike. And, lots of betas are worth a spike. And yeah, I want the betas. Or those items. I'm so bored, guys. Excuse me. Oh, look at this. Here, see. For a trading bash. I can't believe this is some people's den. Oh, what? This is not a beta. None of these things are. These are betas. I thought they were betas. I thought this was a beta. Jeez. What? What? I can't believe it. They're not betas? What? Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm so shocked. What? I'm just a flea, okay. That's expensive. You're basically just donating 25 gems or something. Let's try it 2 more times. This is impossible! I'm basically wasting like 50 so many gems. Fine, 1 more time. Finally! No! I didn't mean to do that. I didn't. Oh, it's on $6, but I'm. Okay. I'm not scary. How much is this worth? Gem. All these spikes are worth 300 gems. This, like, well, spikes are much better. Okay. Yes.